Hey, hey, hey. What are today's messages and what do we need to see and hear today? Soothed, may you settle gently even as the wave breaks above. Take time to appreciate the process, not just the outcome. Number 21, the economy. Trust your needs will be met. And what else do we need to hear? Authentic strength. I find strength in vulnerability. I am honest with people I trust. My struggles are opportunities for growth. I am authentically alive. Kindness. Yes, I am kind to others, but above all, I am kind to myself. And what else do we need to hear? I believe in myself. Simplicity, to live in an uncomplicated, unpretentious way. That's a mouthful. Consider simplicity as the mindset of being satisfied with what you have. Keep track for a month of where you spend the most time in your home and what you wear the most. Then consider whether you can simplify your living space and streamline your wardrobe, which will improve your finances and give you more free time. Focus on the essentials. What's most important to you rather than getting bogged down with material things. Save your money in an emergency fund so you have breathing room to make more intentional decisions when they arise. Periodically assess who you're spending time with and whether that time is valuable to you. Make modifications accordingly. Recognize that your individual behavior can inspire others and collectively add up to significant change. Fellowship, sharing and coming together. Number 18. If you could create your own community, what would it look like? Oops. I'll just take that one. Number 18. Emotions are energy in motion. Gray squirrel. Find new ways of solving problems. Archangel Raphael. Ant. Cooperate for the highest good of the community. Archangel Primilinic. And our last card for today, before we go to our quotes. Embracing change. I welcome change with open arms and see it as an opportunity for growth and transformation. I adapt easily to new situations and trust that change leads me to greater possibilities. Love is something you share because you have it, not something you give desperately because you need it. People say, I'd die for my children. Okay, but would you live for them? Actually live? Make better choices? Try practicing sobriety? Take better care of yourself physically and mentally? Good point. Freedom is having nothing to hide, nothing to prove, and nothing to chase. The more you let go, the more free you'll feel. What do you think? What reoccurring patterns do I notice in my life that I want to break? Whom do they serve and where do they come from? And the last one today. Am I happy or fulfilled? What makes me feel joyful? And what steals my joy? Alrighty, thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos. Hey. What are today's messages and what do we need to see and hear today? Your voice is your superpower. You can change the world. Your thoughts, your perspective, your talents, your stories. They are all uniquely yours. The world needs to hear your voice. Speak up and let the world know who you are. What would you like to share with the world? Akasha, your guidance is divinely guided. Do you ever realize how everything seems to work out in the end? Wisdom. Wisdom comes from experience and reflection. Number 16, blessing in disguise. Trust, revelation, significance, and surprise. Angst, unaware, significance, and expectation. What are the blessings in disguise in your life? And number 36, shower of prosperity. Wealth, opportunity, success, manifestation. Missed opportunities, unmotivated, stubborn, and lack. Something's coming in your life. Wood nymph, beauty, number 52, or a number 7 if you reduce it. What else do we need to hear today? I'm leaving. I'm ready to leave a situation or a mindset that has not served me and hindered my growth. What are you leaving behind? Everything I touch is a success. I now establish a new awareness of success. I know I can be as successful as I make up my mind to be. I move into the winning circle. Golden opportunities are everywhere for me. Prosperity of every kind is drawn to me. And our last card for today, before we go to our little box or envelope. Be pillars for each other, strong and immovable. Let's try the big blue box today. Power of the tongue is real. Stop saying you're tired all the time, you're broke, or you're depressed. Start saying you're grateful. Start manifesting growth. Start speaking life into yourself. The world changes by your example, not by your opinion. Don't wait for others to be kind. Show them how it's done. Your diet is not only what you eat, it's what you watch, what you listen to, what you read, the people you hang around. Be mindful of the things you put into your body, emotionally, spiritually, and physically. A single act of kindness throws out roots in all directions, and the roots spring up and make new trees. And the last one today. Remember, don't take criticism from people you would never go to for advice. Alrighty, thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos.